Real estate for sale, home buyers blog, the home buying process, mortgage basics, what forms are standard. Realtor and area specialist Mike and Jennifer Wrigley here, bringing you the latest real estate information. Thanks for joining us. Let's continue our home buying process series, Mortgage Basics, as brought to you by Fannie Mae on their KnowYourOptions.com website, with what forms are standard. So, what forms are standard? A mortgage application. When you apply for a mortgage, you should receive a copy of your mortgage application. The standard form used is called the Uniform Residential Mortgage Application, Form 1003. Sometimes it's just referred to as a 1003. The lender uses this form to record relevant financial information about an applicant who applies for a conventional 1-to-4 family mortgage. Now, it's important to provide accurate information on this form. The form includes your personal information, the purpose of the loan, your income and assets, and other information needed during the qualification process. A good faith estimate. After completing the mortgage application, or 1003, your lender will send you a good faith estimate, or GFE. The GFE is a form that provides you with an estimate of closing costs, sometimes referred to as settlement charges, in terms of your loan. Truth in lending disclosure. This is required by federal law and provides you a written disclosure of all conditions, fees, and terms of the loan. It also shows the total cost of the loan over the entire life of the loan. A HUD-1 or settlement sheet. The HUD-1, right before your loan closing date, you should receive the HUD-1, also referred to as the closing statement or settlement sheet. And it lists all closing costs. Your lender must provide this form before you close on your mortgage. The HUD-1 itemizes all real estate commissions, loan fees, points, and escrow amounts, and provides information about your loan closing. Alright, so that gets us through mortgage basics. Hope it was helpful. Next up is the mortgage process, so be sure to join us. Now, you need help in finding that perfect place to call home? Call us today at 916-378-4671 for a free, no-obligation consultation, or log on to www.wrigleyrealtygroup.com to start your online home search today. Give us a call. We'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.